Is it necessary to water indoor plants with fertilizer during winter? If in the past gardening manuals advised us not to water with fertilizer during winter because plants were resting, they rested for a quite simple reason. Room temperatures were lowered, it was very cool in apartments or houses, and there was little light. Today, it's the opposite. We have enlarged our windows. They can thrive both in a conservatory and along a bay window, so there is a lot of light. We have also raised the temperature of the rooms with heating. It usually falls between 20 and 21 degrees, a little less, a little more. Well, you see, plants continue to expend energy during winter since there are these two important elements, so we continue to water them. We spray non-limestone water on the foliage and we will provide them with fertilizer, but we will reduce the doses. So, in principle, you need a tablespoon of fertilizer, which is what manufacturers recommend, every 15 days in 1 liter of water. We will add a small teaspoon of fertilizer for 1 liter of water. So we will provide this fertilizer, which is often sold in gel form, and we will add our liter of water. It is also important when providing water that the water is at room temperature, or even slightly warmer, because it is important to understand that during winter, tap water from the water supply is often at 10 degrees, which is much too cold, risking water shock. Now, we can water our green plants. Here we have the Ascamentus, which is blooming for the second time. It has already bloomed. During the summer season and throughout winter, it will continue to bloom as long as we keep providing it with fertilizer. This is also true for the Pachira, for the Dracaenas, as well as for the Ficuses, which continue to grow. If we look at the tips of the shoots, there are always young shoots developing. At that moment, we add fertilizer. So, since I have reduced the dose by half or even a quarter, we can still continue to water with a little bit of fertilizer with each watering.